if I told you that we've cracked the code of sending unlimited emails to unlimited subscribers with just one click? Finally, it's time for you to stop throwing your hard-earned money on expensive monthly email marketing services like Auburn, GetResponse, MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, etc. Imagine in just a blink of your eye, you're getting everything unlimited. Unlimited imports. You can import as many lists as you'd like at once. Unlimited campaigns. Construct infinite campaigns using our drag and drop editor or edit our beautiful done-for-you templates. Unlimited contacts. Whether you have 100, 1,000, or 100,000 contacts, your email list can be uploaded to ContinuumMail. There are no limits. Unlimited broadcasts. Send out and schedule as many broadcasts as you'd like with ContinuumMail. And many more beyond belief powerful features for a record low one-time investment. Are you stuck and struggling to find your breakthrough? Paying through the nose over $1,000 per year? Do you have tons of limitations with your prior email marketing services? Your businesses are failing due to your emails landing into your customers' spam folders. Are you losing your customers and sales? Are you not able to fulfill your family's basic needs? Are you not able to give your life a new direction? If you're facing such challenges, then today you're at the right place, my friend. Finally, you have the biggest opportunity of 2021 knocking at your door. Introducing the world's first one-click smart AI mail app, ContinuumMail, the ultimate email marketing solution that lets you send unlimited emails to unlimited subscribers in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Log in. Grab a copy of ContinuumMail and then log into the dashboard. Step 2. Select. Choose a done-for-you email template or construct your own using the drag-and-drop block-style editor. Step 3. Send. Simply select the contacts you want to send your emails to and hit the send button and start making decent profits as we send your emails directly into the primary inboxes. Now it's time for you to skyrocket your business and scale your income level. When it comes to growing a business, cash flow is king. And when you get ContinuumMail, you're literally saving a huge amount every month. Just look at the cost of email autoresponders on the market. These prices are outrageous for only 1 month. And for 1 year, the cost will quickly add up. You can easily end up wasting $10,000 a year or more without making a dime in return. It's all up to you, my friend, whether you want to stitch the hole in your pocket or not. ContinuumMail is a perfect solution for business owners, online marketers, affiliate marketers, anyone who wants to 10 times their online business, anyone who wants to hit primary inboxes of their customers, anyone who is searching for a better email marketing service, anyone who wants to survive in this ongoing pandemic, anyone who wants to save more money. And to make getting ContinuumMail a no-brainer, we're including exclusive bonuses allowing you to take ContinuumMail to the next level. You won't find anything else like ContinuumMail anywhere else while being so cheap. You could easily get away with charging a yearly fee of $997, and plenty would take us up on that. But we know what it's like to struggle, and we can relate to all the email marketing companies that suck your hard-earned money every month. Which is why we're going to give away ContinuumMail at a price anyone could afford. We won't charge a yearly fee of $497, not $297, not $47. Heck, you won't even pay a yearly fee at all. We'll grant you access to ContinuumMail for just a small one-time investment when you click the button below. And to make your purchase risk-free, we're giving you a full 30 days to make sure ContinuumMail is right for you. So if this doesn't work, you win either way. The risk is on our side. But don't wait, because the price rises every 30 minutes and with every sale. So what are you waiting for? You come to the right place at the right time. You finally have the chance to use something real, something that works. This is not another expensive monthly money-sucking email service. We're using this ourselves to send unlimited emails to our customers while generating sales and profits every day. Are you ready to start making money by sending unlimited emails to unlimited subscribers? Click the button below to get your copy of ContinuumMail at the lowest price. We'll see you inside.